Welcome students, welcome to Helm of Science. Today we will be discussing on some important questions or previous year question of NEET and JEE on the topic of digital electronics or digital circuits. So stay tuned with us and enjoy the video. Thank you. So this is our first question, and the question asked what is the result of this truth table, or which truth table is correct. So let's see about it. It is A, and here it will be A dashed and it will be B dashed, and this is a OR gate and there is a point or a notch type element here, so this will become a NOR gate, and we know the NOR gate is it addition and the bar. So Y will become A bar plus B bar whole bar, and this will become A dot B bar over bar, and this bar will cancel each other and it will be A dot B. So what is this? This is a logic symbol of AND gate, and here the AND gate option you can check it. This option A is the option of AND gate, so option A will be the correct answer. So in this question, this is also asked what is the sign of Y, and suppose in this question we take A and B, the result will be C here, and here is an NOR gate, so the result will be C bar. Here it is a single inputted here, and C bar will again transform to C here, so Y is C, it will be double bar, that is it will be C. So Y is equal to C and C is equal to A plus B, and C is here what? A plus B bar, and A plus B is an OR gate and here is a bar, so it will be a NOR gate, and NOR gate is option B, so option B will be the correct answer. So in this question we have to find the output. Here is a logic gate given and we have to find the output, and upon this we have to find which gate is it. So let's draw here A, B and our output Y. So depending on the picture, when A is high and B is high, the Y is 0. So A high, B high, Y 0. In the next step, A is low, that is 0, B is also 0 and Y becomes high. So A 0, B 0, Y high. In next step, A is low, B is high and Y is high too. So A 0, B high and Y is high too. In the next step, A is high, B is low and Y is high. So A high, B low and Y high again. And here A and B both are high but Y is low. So both are high and Y is low. So we can see that when both the output, so it is clear from the logic gate, when both the input are high, Y is low, and here it is again. So it denotes which gate? It denotes always the NAND gate. So option D will be our correct answer. So in this question we have to find the which have the output 1. So what we have to do, we have to do just simple calculations. 0 and 1, it is AND gate. So here will be, this will be 1, and this is the NOR gate, that is it will be 0, it will be 1 and it will be 0. This is both are 1, so it will become 1, and it is the NAND gate and it will 0, and this is the XOR gate, so it will also become 0. So only in this case it becomes 1. So number A will be the correct answer. So which truth table belongs to these gates? This is our question, and we know that at the first option there is NAND gate. So NAND gate belongs to the AND plus the NOT, it is NAND. And AND gates, it's look like this, and NOT gate is looks like this. So the NAND gate looks like this. And if we put A here and B here, and it is Y, so for A, B, Y, if we draw the truth table, for A0, B0, Y will be 1, for A0, B1, Y will be 0, for A1, B0, it is 0 again. I beg your pardon. This is 1 and this will be 1, and for both the high input it will be 0. So the first option resembles with this same, so our option A will be the correct option, that is it is a NAND gate. So in this question we have to find the Y. So let's start from this. You can put this value in this respective logic gates to calculate the value. This is the best method to solve this. So this is A here, and the A is jumped here, and this is A naught here, this is B naught here, and this is only B here. So this is the AND gate, and it will become A dot B bar, and here it will become A bar dot B, and it is a OR gate here. So OR gate just adds, so I am writing it here, Y equals to A dot B bar plus A bar dot B. So if it is resembles with any of the option, yes, it resembles with this, so option B will be our correct answer. So in this question it is asked which is our complete circuit. So a junction diode, in that diode there is output and input but no load. In a transistor, bipolar junction transistor, there is also input, output, and there is no load. That is, we have to connect it with some circuit, then it will work. And Zener diode is also a diode again. So these three are not the complete circuit, but in IC there is input and output and load. So we can load, so we can make any circuit of it. We can get a complete circuit in a small chip. So this is a complete circuit and it is the integrated circuit. So option B is our correct answer. So in this question, here it is asked what is our output, what is our output C. So we will first draw the logic gate or boolean table here. For A is low, B is low, C is low. For time t1, A high, B low and C high. Next, what is our next? A is high at ease and B becomes high also, C is high too. Then A suddenly becomes 0 or low and B is high and C is high. Then again A0, B0, C0, A0, B0, C0, and again A1, B0, C1, A1, B0, C1, A0, B1, C1, A0, B1, C1. So what can we see? We can see that for anyone, here it is 1, for anyone the output is 1. For anyone the output is 1. Here it is 1 and output is 1. Here it is 1 and output is 1. Here it is 1 and output is 1. The 0 case is only when all the inputs are 0, then it is 0. So this resembles that if any one of our input is 1 or high state, output is 1. And which gate is it? It is the OR gate. That is our option A will be the correct answer. Here is a LED bulb which is our output, and this question has asked which will be our circuit diagram for or the boolean expression for this circuit. So LED is our output. If LED is on, that is it lights up, it will be on condition, and if it is off, it is 0 conditions. And here there are two switches. Here is a power supply and it is grounded here, and here is a resistance R. So depending on our experiment or over the switch, the LED will lit up or remains off. So A is one switch, B is one switch, and LED is our output. So let's see. If A is open, B is open like this, the current will directly flow through this LED and LED will lit up. That is one. If we close this switch, so that will be there will be no effect on the circuit, because here it will be an open circuit till then. So current will not flow in this direction and current will still flow in this direction. So if A is 1, B is 0, it will 1. And again, if this is closed and this is not open, so current will also not flowing in this direction, current will directly flow this direction, and as a result of that, if A is 0, B is 1, it will be 1. And in the last case, if both the switches are off, this switch is off, this switch is off, so in that case both are one state. and the current will follow the least resistance path and will go like this and will be grounded here. So it will not flow through the LED and it will be 0. So we can see that for any one of for any 0 our output is 1. So this is simply a NAND gate circuit. So option D will be the correct answer. In this question it has asked what will be the choice of A, B, C to become Y is equal to 1, that is output is equal to 1. So let's, here it is given ABC, let us write the Boolean expression of Y, that is Y is equal to, it is the OR gate, so A or B, and the C is attached with A or B with AND gate and it is C. So simply from this we can say that Y will be 1 only when C is 1, because if C is 0, Y will be 0. It is clear from this expression, right? So here C is 1 is only this option. So the option B will be the correct answer. Let's put it here. A is let's put it here. A1 plus B0 and C1, and it will become 1.1 is equal to 1. So our output is 1 and B is our correct answer. From this it has been asked which is the output figure, which will be the output figure. So it is A here and B, and it is passing through a NAND gate, that is the OR of not of AND. This is the A and this is the A and B and NAND, and A and B pass through a AND gate again, and it is a single inputted here. So A and B is just will be, it will act like a NOT gate, as though it is a NAND, but as it is a single input here, so it will act like a NAND gate. It will act like a NOT gate, sorry. Though it is a NAND gate, but being a single input, it will act like a NOT gate. So from this equation it will be A dot B only, and this is our correct answer. A is equal to A dot B, that is option A. Option A will be the correct answer. So which is the corresponding truth table for which gate? It has asked the logical gate. So for 0 it is 0, for A0 and B1 it is 1, for A1 B0 it is 0, and for A1 B1 it is 1. So it is the identity, matrix kind of. So for any one, for any input 1, output is 1, and for both 0, output is 0, and this condition resembles with the OR gate, that is A plus B, and OR gate is here B. B will be our correct answer. So our class finishes here today. Thank you for being with us, and you can see that every question is a previous year's questions mentioned, the year is mentioned here. So please be careful with each of the question and practice lot more questions for your betterment and improvement. For any doubt and more questions, please comment below. We will try to solve your queries. Thank you.